If you look at what happened in Calabar, you see the faces there, you discover that the PDP was not involved in that Congress. To say the least, PDP scheduled congresses, zonal congresses for South-South, Southeast, and Northeast on that particular date. But before the date, the National Working Committee rescheduled that of the South-South and gave go-ahead for that of the Southeast and then Northeast. Before the day the charade took place, the National Working Committee has already put off the Congress. If you see the faces there, you see Nyesom Wike, the FCT minister. You see Alabraba. You see Dan Obi. These are the elements in the PDP which I've been saying, and I'll keep saying it. They are the elements that are on a mission to destroy the PDP. Dan Obi, as a member of the National Working Committee, has been on suspension since July 2014, and his suspension subsists. Even as assuming without conceding that he's still an officer of the party, a zonal chairman doesn't have the power to convene the Congress. Such power is not in the hands of Dan Obi. Then you talk about the FCT minister. He's not a national officer of the party. He doesn't also have the power to convene a zonal, not even a World Congress. Talk more of a zonal Congress. What happened in Calabar was not a program of the PDP. It was a program organized by the FCT minister and co. You see Martin Amaewhule in that Congress. Is Martin Amaewhule a member of PDP? The answer is no. Martin Amaewhule has long defected from the PDP to the All Progressive Congress. What happened in Calabar was not a PDP program. It wasn't a zonal congress of the PDP. Nyesom Wike knows exactly what he went to Calabar to do. In addition, the PDP constitution guarantees that congresses will hold at the zonal headquarters. Port Harcourt River State is the zonal headquarters of PDP South-South. There is no way you can move zonal congress from Port Harcourt to Calabar. The congress must hold in Port Harcourt.
What's your take on that?
No. Nyesom Wike doesn't have the authority to speak for the PDP. He's neither a governor of the party, a minister of PDP, not even an officer of the party. He doesn't have the locus to speak for PDP. Whatever Nyesom Wike says at the Metropolitan Hotel in Calabar is between him, his followers, and God, and not that of PDP. He doesn't have the authority to speak for PDP. Whatever he says doesn't apply to PDP, and it's not even binding on the members of PDP. Donald Duke is a businessman. Donald Duke is the owner of Metropolitan Hotel, so to speak. He's a mere businessman. They went to his place, hired the place, and they paid him. Besides Donald Duke, the South-South has 5 sitting governors, and you cannot find a single one of them. South-South has 6 states with 6 PDP chairmen. Did you find any of them there? Even the national woman leader of PDP is from Cross River State. Did you see her there? No national officer was there. So it's not a party, it's not a PDP affair. If it is a PDP affair, the sitting governors of the South-South, Rivers, Akwa Ibom, Delta, and Bayelsa will be there. We have national officers of the party from the South-South. None of them was there. We have prominent men in the South-South. You don't find them there. Did you see Goodluck Jonathan there? This is the father of the party in the South-South. Did you see him there? It's not a PDP affair. It's not a PDP affair. No. I can liken it to the kind of thing Martin Amaewhule and co are doing in the state. That's the kind of thing they are doing there. It's not a PDP affair.